MicroStrategy 1. Online Training. Introduction to MicroStrategy 1. MicroStrategy 1 is a comprehensive analytics and mobility platform offered by MicroStrategy, a leading provider of enterprise software platforms for business intelligence and analytics. It combines powerful analytics, mobile capabilities, and security features to empower organizations to make informed decisions and take action on their data. Key features of MicroStrategy 1. Analytics. MicroStrategy 1 provides robust analytics capabilities that allow organizations to analyze large volumes of data from various sources. It supports interactive dashboards, reports, data discovery, and advanced analytics like predictive analytics and data mining. Mobility. One of the standout features of MicroStrategy 1 is its mobile capabilities. It enables users to access analytics and business intelligence tools on mobile devices securely. This ensures that decision-makers can access critical insights anytime and anywhere, enhancing productivity and responsiveness. Security. MicroStrategy 1 prioritizes data security and offers enterprise-grade security features. This includes data encryption, role-based access controls, and compliance with industry standards such as GDPR and HIPAA. Organizations can securely manage and share sensitive data across the platform. Integration. The platform supports integration with various data sources and applications, including cloud services, databases, and enterprise systems. This enables organizations to leverage existing investments in data infrastructure while expanding their analytics capabilities. Scalability and performance. MicroStrategy 1 is designed to handle large-scale deployments and complex analytics requirements. It offers scalability to grow with organizational needs and delivers high performance for processing and analyzing data in real time. AI and machine learning. The platform incorporates AI and machine learning capabilities to enhance analytics and decision-making. This includes automated insights, natural language processing, NLP, for querying data, and predictive analytics models. Understanding business intelligence by and analytics. Business intelligence by and analytics are crucial components in today's data-driven business environment, enabling organizations to turn raw data into actionable insights. Here's a breakdown of each. Business intelligence by. Definition. By refers to technologies, applications, and practices for the collection, integration, analysis, and presentation of business information. Purpose. It focuses on gathering and analyzing historical data to support decision-making processes within an organization. Key features. Reporting. Creating and presenting data in visual formats such as charts, graphs, and dashboards. Querying. Accessing specific datasets to answer predefined questions. OLAP. Online analytical processing, analyzing multidimensional data from different perspectives. Benefits. Improved decision-making. Provides insights into past performance and trends. Operational efficiency. Streamlines processes through data-driven insights. Competitive advantage. Enables businesses to react faster to market changes. Analytics. Definition. Analytics involves the discovery, interpretation, and communication of meaningful patterns in data. It extends beyond by focusing on predictive and prescriptive analysis. Types: descriptive analytics, understanding what happened based on historical data, example by reports. Predictive analytics, forecasting future outcomes based on historical data and statistical techniques. Prescriptive analytics, recommending actions based on predictive models and simulations. Techniques: statistical analysis, applying statistical methods to data sets. Machine learning, using algorithms to identify patterns and make predictions. Data mining, extracting patterns from large data sets. Benefits of using MicroStrategy ONX. MicroStrategy ONE is a comprehensive analytics and mobility platform designed to empower organizations with insights, intelligence, and capabilities across various business functions. Here are several benefits of using MicroStrategy ONE. Unified platform. MicroStrategy ONE integrates various analytics and mobility capabilities into a single platform. This unified approach streamlines data management, analytics workflows, and the deployment of applications across the organization. Advanced analytics. It offers powerful analytics capabilities, including predictive analytics, machine learning, and AI-driven insights. These features enable organizations to derive deeper, more actionable insights from their data. Scalability. MicroStrategy ONE is highly scalable, capable of handling large volumes of data and growing alongside an organization's needs. This scalability ensures that the platform can support enterprise-wide deployment and usage. Mobile and web capabilities. The platform supports mobile and web deployments, allowing users to access insights and applications on various devices, including smartphones and tablets. This flexibility enables remote access to critical information anytime, anywhere. Security and governance. MicroStrategy ONE emphasizes robust security and governance features. It includes role-based access controls, data encryption, and audit trails to ensure data privacy and compliance with regulatory requirements. Customization and flexibility. Users can customize dashboards, reports, and applications according to specific business requirements. This flexibility allows organizations to tailor the platform to their unique needs and workflows. Integration with existing systems. MicroStrategy ONE integrates seamlessly with existing IT infrastructure and data sources. This capability simplifies data integration and ensures that organizations can leverage their existing investments in technology. Collaboration and sharing. The platform facilitates collaboration through features like interactive dashboards, sharing capabilities, and real-time updates. This fosters a culture of data-driven decision-making and knowledge sharing across teams. Support and community. MicroStrategy offers robust support services and a community of users and developers. This support ecosystem provides resources, training, and best practices to help organizations maximize their investment in the platform. ROI and business value. Ultimately, MicroStrategy ONE aims to deliver measurable ROI and business value by enabling faster decision-making, improving operational efficiency, and driving innovation through data-driven insights. Getting started with MicroStrategy ONE. MicroStrategy One is a platform that integrates analytics, mobility, and security features to provide comprehensive business intelligence solutions. To get started with MicroStrategy One, here are some steps you can follow. Understand MicroStrategy One components. Analytics includes tools for creating reports, dashboards, and visualizations. Mobility provides mobile apps for accessing analytics and data on the go. Security offers robust security features to protect data and ensure compliance. Access MicroStrategy One. If your organization has already implemented MicroStrategy One, you'll typically receive login credentials or access through a designated URL provided by your IT department. Training and documentation. MicroStrategy provides extensive documentation, tutorials, and training resources. Visit the MicroStrategy website or contact your IT support team to access these resources. Explore the interface. Log into MicroStrategy One and explore the interface. Familiarize yourself with the navigation, menus, and options available. Create reports and dashboards. Begin by creating basic reports and dashboards using MicroStrategy's tools. These can include charts, graphs, and tables based on your data sources. Utilize mobile capabilities. Download and install MicroStrategy's mobile apps on your device to access analytics and data remotely. Familiarize yourself with the features available on the mobile platform. Understand security features. Learn about the security features of MicroStrategy One, such as user roles, data encryption, and access controls. Ensure compliance with your organization's security policies. Integration and customization. Explore how MicroStrategy One can integrate with other systems and databases within your organization. Understand customization options to tailor the platform to your specific business needs. Navigating the MicroStrategy One interface. Navigating the MicroStrategy One interface involves understanding its layout and functionalities, typically designed to provide access to various analytics and business intelligence tools. Here's a general guide to navigating MicroStrategy One. Homepage overview. When you log in, you'll usually see a homepage dashboard that provides an overview of key metrics or reports. This is often customizable based on user roles and preferences. Navigation bar. Look for a navigation bar or menu that provides access to different sections of the application. It might include options like dashboards, documents, reports, dossiers, and more. Dashboards. Dashboards are visual representations of data, often consisting of charts, graphs, and tables. They can be interactive, allowing users to drill down into specific data points. Reports. Reports in MicroStrategy One are typically structured views of data, often in tabular form. They can be static or dynamic and are useful for detailed data analysis. Dossiers. Dossiers are like interactive storytelling tools, allowing users to combine multiple visualizations and insights into a cohesive narrative. They often include text, images, and various visual elements. Documents. Documents can contain a variety of content, including static reports, presentations, and more detailed analyses. They are useful for sharing comprehensive insights with stakeholders. Search functionality. MicroStrategy ONE often includes a search feature to help users quickly find specific reports, dashboards, or data sets. User preferences and settings. Typically accessible through a profile or settings icon, this area allows users to customize their experience, manage preferences, and view notifications. Collaboration tools. Depending on the version and configuration, MicroStrategy ONE may include collaboration features such as commenting, sharing, and real-time collaboration on documents. Creating dashboards in MicroStrategy ONE. Steps to create dashboards in MicroStrategy ONE. Access MicroStrategy ONE. Log in to your MicroStrategy ONE platform where you have access to the datasets and reports you want to use for your dashboard. Create or identify reports. Ensure you have the reports ready that contain the data you want to visualize. These reports should be designed with relevant metrics, attributes, and filters. Design the dashboard. Navigate to the dashboard creation area, often labeled as dashboards or a similar term. Start by choosing a blank canvas or a pre-designed template, depending on your preference and the complexity of your dashboard needs. Add visualizations. Drag and drop the visualizations from your reports onto the dashboard canvas. MicroStrategy ONE offers various types of visualizations such as charts, graphs, grids, maps, and more. Choose the appropriate type based on your data and the insights you want to highlight. Customize visualizations. Once placed on the dashboard, customize each visualization to fit your needs. Adjust settings such as colors, labels, axes, legends, and any other relevant parameters to enhance clarity and presentation. Apply interactivity. Add interactivity to your dashboard elements. MicroStrategy ONE allows you to apply filters, drill-down capabilities, and tooltips to make the dashboard more interactive and user-friendly. Organize layout. Arrange the visualizations on the dashboard canvas in a logical and aesthetically pleasing manner. Group related visualizations together and ensure the overall layout flows well. Add text and annotations if needed. Include titles, subtitles, and annotations to provide context and explanations for the data visualizations. Annotations can help highlight key insights or trends that users should pay attention to. Best practices for data visualization. Creating effective data visualizations involves following several best practices to ensure clarity, accuracy, and the ability to convey insights efficiently. Here are some key best practices for data visualization. Know your audience. Understand who will be viewing your visualizations and tailor them accordingly. Consider their knowledge level, interests, and what insights they seek. Choose the right chart type. Select a chart type that best represents the relationships and patterns in your data. Common types include bar charts, line charts, pie charts, scatter plots, etc. Use specialized charts like tree maps or heat maps for specific types of data distributions. Simplify and focus. Avoid clutter and unnecessary elements. Simplify your visualizations to highlight the most important insights and reduce cognitive load on the viewer. Use consistent design principles. Maintain consistency in colors, fonts, labeling, and scales across your visualizations. Consistency enhances readability and makes comparisons easier. Label clearly and appropriately. Clearly label axes, data points, and units of measurement. Use informative titles and captions to provide context and explain the significance of the data. Provide context and interpretation. Explain the data sources, definitions, and any assumptions made during analysis. Interpret the findings and provide actionable insights where possible. Use color effectively. Choose a color scheme that is accessible to all viewers. Consider color blindness. Use colors strategically to differentiate categories or highlight trends, but avoid using too many colors that can confuse the audience. Ensure accuracy. Double-check your data inputs and calculations. Ensure that your visualizations accurately represent the underlying data without misleading interpretations. Encourage exploration. Provide interactive elements when possible, example tooltips, filters, to allow viewers to explore the data further and draw their own conclusions. Test and iterate. Get feedback from potential viewers and stakeholders. Iterate on your visualizations based on feedback to improve clarity and effectiveness. What is MicroStrategy ONE and how does it differ from other analytics platforms? MicroStrategy ONE is a comprehensive analytics and business intelligence platform offered by MicroStrategy, a company known for its enterprise-grade analytics solutions. Here's how it differs from other analytics platforms. Unified platform. MicroStrategy ONE provides a unified platform for analytics, mobility, and security. This means it integrates various functionalities like data discovery, visualization, reporting, and mobile analytics into a single cohesive platform. Many other analytics platforms may require separate tools or integrations for these functionalities. Scalability. It is designed to handle large-scale data analytics and can scale from small departmental deployments to enterprise-wide implementations. This scalability sets it apart from some analytics tools that may have limitations in handling large volumes of data or supporting enterprise-level requirements. Advanced analytics capabilities. MicroStrategy ONE includes advanced analytics capabilities such as predictive analytics, machine learning, and natural language processing (NLP). These capabilities allow users to derive deeper insights from their data, make data-driven predictions, and interact with data using natural language queries. Other platforms may not offer such extensive built-in advanced analytics features. Enterprise focus. MicroStrategy ONE is particularly focused on meeting the needs of large enterprises with robust security features, governance capabilities, and support for complex data environments. This enterprise-grade focus distinguishes it from many other analytics tools that may be more suited for small to mid-sized businesses or lack comprehensive governance and security features. Mobile integration. It emphasizes mobile analytics and provides capabilities for building and deploying mobile apps that incorporate analytics and business intelligence. This mobile integration is a significant advantage for organizations looking to enable data access and decision-making on mobile devices, which is not always a standard feature in other analytics platforms. How can MicroStrategy ONE enhance data-driven decision-making in organizations? MicroStrategy ONE can significantly enhance data-driven decision-making in organizations through several key features and capabilities. Unified Platform. MicroStrategy ONE provides a unified platform for data discovery, advanced analytics, and enterprise reporting. This means all users across the organization can access a single source of truth for data, ensuring consistency and reliability in decision-making. Scalable Analytics. It allows organizations to scale their analytics capabilities from simple dashboards to complex predictive models and AI-driven insights. This scalability ensures that as data needs grow, the platform can support advanced analytics without requiring a shift to different tools. Mobile and cloud capabilities. MicroStrategy ONE supports mobile analytics, allowing decision-makers to access critical insights on the go. Additionally, its cloud deployment options enable flexibility and accessibility, ensuring that users can access data and analytics wherever they are. Embedded Analytics. The platform supports embedding analytics directly into operational workflows and business applications. This capability integrates data insights seamlessly into daily operations, making it easier for decision-makers to act on real-time information. Governance and Security. MicroStrategy ONE provides robust governance and security features, ensuring that data is managed securely and in compliance with regulations. This is crucial for maintaining trust in the data and making decisions confidently. AI and Machine Learning. The platform integrates AI and machine learning capabilities to automate insights generation, uncover patterns in data, and provide recommendations for decision-making. This enhances the speed and accuracy of decision-making processes. Collaboration and Sharing. MicroStrategy ONE facilitates collaboration among teams by allowing users to share insights, reports, and dashboards easily. This promotes a data-driven culture where insights can be discussed and acted upon collaboratively. Real-time analytics. For organizations needing real-time insights, MicroStrategy ONE offers capabilities for streaming analytics and real-time data processing. This is particularly valuable in industries where timely decisions based on the latest data are critical. How does MicroStrategy ONE integrate with existing IT infrastructures? MicroStrategy ONE is designed to integrate with existing IT infrastructures through several key features and capabilities. Open architecture. MicroStrategy ONE is built on an open and extensible architecture. It supports various data sources and integrates with existing databases, data warehouse, and other data repositories commonly found in IT infrastructures. Connectors and APIs. It offers a wide range of connectors to popular databases like Oracle, SQL Server, etc., cloud services like AWS, Azure, and big data platforms like Hadoop. Additionally, MicroStrategy provides APIs that allow developers to integrate and extend its capabilities further. Data access. MicroStrategy ONE can access data from multiple sources without needing to move or replicate it. This capability is crucial for organizations that have complex data ecosystems and want to leverage existing investments in data infrastructure. Scalability. It is designed to scale with enterprise requirements, handling large volumes of data and supporting thousands of users simultaneously. This scalability ensures that it can fit into various sizes of IT infrastructures, from small businesses to large enterprises. Security and governance. MicroStrategy ONE includes robust security features, ensuring that data access is controlled and compliant with organizational policies and regulations. It supports integration with existing identity management systems like LDAP, Active Directory, for user authentication and authorization. Deployment options. It offers flexibility in deployment, supporting on-premises installations as well as cloud deployments, public, private, or hybrid. This flexibility allows organizations to choose the deployment model that best fits their existing IT infrastructure strategy. Analytics ecosystem integration. MicroStrategy ONE integrates with various analytics and business intelligence tools, providing a comprehensive analytics ecosystem that complements existing IT investments in analytics. What industries benefit most from adopting MicroStrategy ONE? MicroStrategy ONE is a comprehensive platform that encompasses various analytics and business intelligence solutions. Its benefits can be particularly advantageous across several industries, including financial services, banks, investment firms, and insurance companies can leverage MicroStrategy ONE for real-time analytics, risk management, fraud detection, and customer insights. Retailers use MicroStrategy ONE for analyzing sales trends, optimizing inventory management, understanding customer behavior through CRM data, and improving marketing campaigns. Healthcare organizations benefit from MicroStrategy ONE by analyzing patient data for personalized medicine, improving operational efficiencies, managing healthcare outcomes, and complying with regulatory requirements. Telecommunications. Telecom companies use MicroStrategy ONE for network performance analysis, customer churn prediction, marketing campaign optimization, and improving customer experience. Manufacturers utilize MicroStrategy ONE for supply chain analytics, predictive maintenance of equipment, quality control, and optimizing production processes. Government agencies leverage MicroStrategy ONE for budget analysis, citizen services optimization, fraud detection, and performance management. Educational institutions can utilize MicroStrategy ONE for student performance analytics, resource allocation optimization, and institutional research. Hospitality. Hotels and travel companies use MicroStrategy ONE for guest analytics, revenue management, customer segmentation, and personalized marketing. Energy and utilities. Companies in the energy sector benefit from MicroStrategy ONE for asset performance management, energy consumption analytics, predictive maintenance, and regulatory compliance. Pharmaceutical companies use MicroStrategy ONE for drug development analytics, sales forecasting, market research, and compliance reporting. What are the scalability options with MicroStrategy ONE? MicroStrategy ONE offers several scalability options to meet the needs of various organizations. Horizontal scalability. This option involves adding more servers or nodes to distribute the workload across multiple machines. MicroStrategy ONE can horizontally scale by deploying additional instances of its components, like intelligence server, web server, etc., across different servers or virtual machines. Vertical scalability. This involves upgrading the hardware resources, CPU, RAM, storage, of existing servers to handle increased loads. MicroStrategy ONE supports vertical scaling to improve the performance of individual servers hosting its components. Cluster deployment. MicroStrategy ONE can be deployed in a clustered environment where multiple instances of MicroStrategy components are interconnected and work together as a single unit. This setup enhances fault tolerance, availability, and performance scalability. Load balancing. To efficiently distribute incoming traffic and requests across multiple servers or nodes, MicroStrategy ONE supports load balancing. This ensures that no single server becomes overloaded and helps in scaling out horizontally. Database scalability. Since MicroStrategy ONE interacts with various databases for data storage and retrieval, the scalability of the underlying database infrastructure is crucial. MicroStrategy supports integration with scalable databases like Amazon Redshift, Snowflake, etc., that can handle large volumes of data and concurrent user requests. Cloud scalability. MicroStrategy ONE can leverage cloud infrastructure providers like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud Platform for elastic scalability. Cloud platforms offer auto-scaling capabilities where resources can automatically adjust based on demand, optimizing performance and cost efficiency. Caching and in-memory processing. MicroStrategy ONE utilizes in-memory processing and caching techniques to improve performance and scalability. By caching frequently accessed data and processing calculations in memory, it reduces the load on backend databases and accelerates query response times. Overall, MicroStrategy ONE provides comprehensive scalability options ranging from traditional vertical scaling to modern horizontal scaling and cloud-based scalability, ensuring it can meet the needs of growing organizations with varying data volumes and user demands. Why choose ProExcellency for MicroStrategy ONE online training? Choosing ProExcellency for MicroStrategy ONE online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expertise and experience. ProExcellency likely has experienced trainers who are proficient in MicroStrategy ONE. They can provide in-depth knowledge and practical insights into using the platform effectively. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs are likely structured to cover all aspects of MicroStrategy ONE, from basic functionalities to advanced features. This ensures that you receive a well-rounded education. Flexibility. Online training offered by ProExcellency allows you to learn at your own pace and convenience, fitting around your schedule. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for busy professionals. Hands-on learning. They may offer hands-on exercises and real-world scenarios to enhance your learning experience. This practical approach helps in applying your knowledge directly to your work. Certification preparation. If certification is your goal, ProExcellency's training may include preparation for MicroStrategy certifications, which can boost your career prospects. Support and resources. They likely provide ongoing support post-training and access to resources such as study materials, forums, or communities where you can continue learning and networking. Cost-effective. Compared to traditional in-person training, online options like those offered by ProExcellency can be more cost-effective due to reduced travel and accommodation expenses. Before committing, it's advisable to research reviews and testimonials from past participants to gauge the effectiveness and quality of ProExcellency's MicroStrategy 1 training. Thank you.